Last time, we tested 18 filaments, and high-performance ones like Peak stood out. Today, we take it further. Dagger, spear, shield, and a cardboard box. PC dagger versus nylon woven bag and cardboard box. PC is strong and impact resistant, but how does it handle real force? PPSC F dagger versus nylon woven bag and cardboard box. Peak spear versus foam and cardboard box. Peak is known for its strength. Can it prove itself? PCCF Shield. Superior bend resistance. Perfect for makers and DIY projects requiring durable, flexible parts like custom drone frames or wearable tech. Peak Spear. High hardness. Ideal for creating robust, long-lasting prototypes or functional parts like precision tools and mechanical components.